Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a charger for the iPhone 12. All right, now the iPhone 12 has the magnetic mag charging feature, and this is an aftermarket charger. It's not an Apple charger, but we're going to test it out to see how it works. All right, now it's made by Yootech. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's the Yootech Compatible with MagSafe charger, magnetic wireless charger, fast wireless charging pad, 5 feet charging cable, USB Type-C, compatible with iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and all that stuff, right? So again, you can get this from Amazon. It's $16.99, and you get a $2 discount if you use that coupon right there. As you can see, you got a few pictures right there. You got a USB-A adapter you can use if you need to charge this. So it can be used to charge via USB-C and USB-A. That's pretty good flexibility right there. All right. So either one of those things will work. I like that. Now, I hope this works well, because if that is true, then we'll have a good feature, a good aftermarket charger to use for your MagSafe charging. All right. Now this should work with cases as well, and we're going to check all that out. All right. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so here's the box that comes in. See the Yootech brand right there, magnetic wireless charger. And as you can see, you got the USB-C, USB-A connector right there. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and take this out of the box, see what we got in there. All right, so nothing else in the box right there. You get some cards here. If you have an issue, make sure you're satisfied. A little user manual right there. All right, let's get this to the side. So what you get in here is really just the charging pad, and the cable is already attached to it. Okay, so, and it's 5 feet, so that's pretty long, so that's cool. I like that. Let's get this, well, I'll leave that on right now, but you can take this off, and you got 5 feet of cord right there. I still won't be dangling all over the place, but the pad has a sort of rubbery bottom, so it don't slide around, so that's pretty cool. And it's got a plastic top right there. All right, cord is fairly thick. It looks like it might be pretty durable, but like any cord, if you bend it too much, it's probably going to damage it. Yootech branding right there. But the good feature here is you got USB-A connector as well as a USB-C connector. So if you got a USB charging brick, put this in, you're going to get really fast charge. All right, and of course, if you got a fast charge, you can still get that, but this will probably be fastest. All right, so that's pretty cool. And I got one that I'm not using, that I'll be using for this, okay? All right, so we're gonna test this out and see how it works, all right? Okay, so we got a charging brick right here. This is an all-key fast charger here with the USB-C type input. Now we're gonna put this inside here, and we're gonna go ahead and plug this in, all right? Now when you plug it in, you see this blue light that's showing right there, so that means it's charging. Now, we're gonna put this on to see what happens, all right? All right, so there's a charging right there. Now, let's see what kind of, so it does have a magnetic grip there. It's not very strong, but it does stick to the phone, okay? You see that? So you're getting the mag charger there. You can pick the phone up if you wanted to use it if you had to, and the magnet will stay on. But it's not very strong. It's not like and I guess maybe, I don't know how the original Apple charger is, but this one does stick, but it's not very strong. It does find a magnet right there, but it's charging, okay? All right, like that little animation right there, okay? So that's pretty cool. And the last power brick I used was a USB-C. This is a USB-A, so you can use this and put it into the adapter, USB-A, and then plug this into there, and now you got a USB-A charger, right? And this is a fast charger, 2.0 brick right there. So we just put this on, see if we get a charge with that. So it is powered up. You see the light right there. It was on for a minute ago. It's not on right now, but let's put this on. All right, so you see the animation right there. So you're getting a charging right there, all right? And as you can see, it's still, but you see how it dropped off just now, but it's not, but it does stick, but it will drop off if you pick it up and shake it around, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Yootech MagSafe charger for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, all those that use the magnetic charging, all right? Now it works pretty good. and it's a good price, $17. You get a $2 gift discount if you use the coupon, so you can't beat that. I think the regular Apple MagSafe charger is going to cost you a lot more, okay? And it does work, all right? You get fast charging too, and you get the dual capability to use USB-A or USB-C, so that's pretty cool. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.